Buddy, what are you doing? You're not allowed on there. That's not for sitting, buddy. Okay? No. It's not permitted. I can still see you. Come on, get off there. Buddy? You have to leave there. This is not good. It's going to get way too hot. Buddy, come on. Yes, you leave there. Buddy, you can't just soak. You have to get off the laptop. Yes, come on. Go. No. No, this is not fuzzies. What do you... No. Get off. You don't understand. You have to leave. Come on. Let's go. Come. This is not for napping, buddy. You have to leave now. Buddy? You can't sleep there. Buddy. Come on. Out you get. This means it's time for you to go. Yes. Come on. Yep. You get off there. Okay. I'll just get another laptop, shall I?